When I signed up for the IPAM conference, I thought I was just going to get some good information about how I could start a side hustle, do a little bit of Botox, a little bit of weight loss, and earn a little bit of extra money. It sounded like something that would be fun and interesting and different than what I do in my full-time work. But what I got from this past weekend was so much more than that. I feel like I learned so much about options, resources, extra trainings, tools that can be used in either in a concierge sort of setting or even opening a new clinic. And I feel like I was not just well educated and inspired, but empowered. I'm so excited to move forward and see what can come of the things that I learned.